Thanks for tuning in. My name is Pete Markovic. Today we're going to discuss how PLM can address your company's business challenges around the new product introduction process. Well, the first obvious sign that your new product introduction process may not be efficient is if it's not even documented. We find with a lot of organizations that the documentation doesn't exist or is outdated. If it doesn't exist or is outdated, it's very hard to enforce and very hard to have people following that process, which obviously then is very inefficient. Another obvious sign that your NPI processes may not be managed efficiently is if you're using standard desktop tools like Microsoft Excel and email to manage this process. The visibility through your organization is limited for only those users that have that information, and it may even be outdated at that point. Often we hear from customers that we don't know what products we're developing or where they're at in the current processes. And lastly, another obvious sign that your NPI processes may not be managed efficiently is if we have no analytics about our current processes. How do we measure how efficient it is, and how do we improve that process? A PLM system can give you that ability to measure what we currently are doing and improve upon that. So one of the biggest barriers or challenges that we see with most of our small and medium-sized customers has been the cost of a traditional PLM system. These systems traditionally are on-premise. They require a upfront investment, capital cost of an infrastructure. With Fusion Lifecycle being a software as a service and in the cloud, we can get our customers up and running very quickly and very economically. Manufacturers can better manage their NPI processes within a PLM system by first documenting the process, then following the process, and thirdly, improving the process. A system like Fusion Lifecycle is very easy to configure and to manage and maintain for continuous process improvement. One of the benefits we see our customers achieve when implementing a PLM system to manage their NPI processes is visibility throughout the organization. It opens up the product development processes to other parts of the business that maybe didn't have that information and have that information in real time. Another benefit people achieve by implementing PLM is efficiencies within the NPI process. By having a system that shows users their workflows, what deliverables are expected at each of those stages, as well as reminding the users that they have to deliver those, makes people responsible and accountable for their ownership within their process. If you're thinking about implementing PLM in your organization, reach out to IMAGINiT Technologies. Our specialized and certified Fusion Lifecycle team has implemented Fusion Lifecycle in many manufacturing industries. Our process begins with just an exploratory call to understand what your business challenges are and how we may address them with Fusion Lifecycle. Give us a call, we're here to help.